Hello everyone and welcome back to Tech Ashwin. In this video, I am going to show you how to know the IP address, country code and exact location using the coordinates, that is latitude and longitude. So let's get started. What is the use of IP address, country code and coordinates of the location? This can be used to provide the location-based services in Python. For example, weather app can use the location information to provide the current weather condition and forecast for the specific location. Another example is ad targeting. The country code and IP address can be used to target the advertisement to the specific location. Another example is fraud detection. The IP address and the coordinates of the location can be used to detect and prevent the fraud. For example, e-commerce website can use the location information to verify the user's IP address and shipping address. This can prevent a fraudulent transaction and protect the website from its user. Okay, that's enough information. Let's start the coding. Okay, we need to import the URL open. From URL lib.request import URL open. Take a variable URL. URL equals to http ipinfo/json. Now response equal to URL open, pass the URL here. Now take the data variable equal to JSON. So we are getting the error here because we have not imported a JSON. Let's import the JSON. Import JSON. So data equals to JSON.load and pass the response here. Now print the IP address here. Print of data of IP address and print of data of country code. So it will print the country code and the IP address here. So write data of IP and the next is print data of country. Country code equals to data of country. So now let's run the program. Write python main.py and hit the enter. So now we are getting the IP address and the country code here. Now we are going to calculate exact location using coordinates. So let's take an empty list. We are going to use the Folium library to generate the map. Folium dot. So here we are getting the error because we have not imported the Folium. So let's import the Folium. Import Folium. Now again you can see we are getting the error because we have not installed the Folium library. Let's install the Folium. Pip install Folium command and hit the enter. Now it will take some time to install it. Let's take another variable instead of Folium. Geomap equals to Folium.map and pass the coordinates. Location equals to coordinates and zoom start equals to 5. Then Folium.marker, pass the coordinate here also. Location equals to coordinates and add to geomap. After that, save it and name the file as a map.html. Before running the program, add the coordinates into the empty list. Open up your favorite browser. and search coordinates of any place. So coordinates of Gateway of India. Now copy these coordinates and paste here and remove the north and east from the list. Now let's run the program. Python main.py and hit enter. Now it will generate the map.html file in the current directory. So as you can see here, map.html file is generated. Now open the map.html file, click here, you can see the location. Let's zoom in to see the exact location of Gateway of India. Well done guys, we have got the exact location of Gateway of India. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up by hitting the like button. And thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video.